hear me, take the encryption button off and try it.
Okay, now my radio's flaking out. Wasn't in response earlier.
Okay, you were coming through, Ron. I can hear you. You're kind of gargled, but you were there.
Okay. You hear me?
You're still gargled. I may be too far away.
Mosley, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you real clear now. I think earlier you were DES encrypted, but you're clear now.
Alright, we're going to meet over at the storefront. The suspect vehicle, female, is in the area. She's at the residence this time. The marshal thinks she's going to gather up some money. So we're just going to meet the PD and we'll cut it up from there. Clear. Okay, the target's on the phone right now with El Salvador. They're supposedly around the area of Mangum and 34th, but we're going to stand by up here a little bit and just kind of wait. They're going to call us back and tell us where to set up at. We don't know what vehicle she's driving. We don't know what vehicle she's in, if it's one from yesterday or something different, but we're just going to hang around probably Mangum and 10th Highway, somewhere in that area.
Hey, this is Les. How do you copy me, okay?
Yeah, you sound good. I think what we'll do, there's a mall over here. Let's just sit in the parking lot over here by the mall. There's lots of space over here, plenty of room.
Whereabouts in the mall are you?
We're right on the corner of Hempstead Highway, and there's a bank over there. It's on the south-west corner. Okay, I just had a truck pulling in, right parked right behind it.
What's the target vehicle she's in?
See a black Nissan.
Okay, is that same Altima from yesterday?
Yeah, same plate. Hey, wait, the guy that's at the front of the truck, is he at the truck? Yeah, okay. Yeah, the guy that's in behind the truck, they kind of went up to the front, so I think he was in the truck, not the target.
Ron, I don't know. I don't have an eyeball anymore. I'm just sitting in the parking lot. I'm trying to back off. I think the marshals both have eyeballs too.
Yeah, female.
Two people getting in the vehicle, female and Hispanic male. Yeah, that's clear. It's pulling out, heading south through the parking lot toward the Office Max. Out of my view.
Okay, we follow it?
Yes, we are. Who's got the eyeball? I think my guess is it's going to be coming back up here in front of the academy. I lost view of it. Stand by, I think, yeah. Well, no. Yeah, it's going to be cutting right across the academy, westbound, right in front of the cricket store right now.
Hey, Kurt, just stay loose off of that car, and if we lose him, we'll pick it up again.
Don't worry about it. He turns left on 34th.
Bill? Hey, Dave, are you reading this radio?
Hey, I can. Dave, you on there?
Yeah.
Where y'all at right now?
I made a left on 34th. That's the way they headed last, but I wasn't able to stay behind them. So this definitely isn't the ideal place or time to be doing a roving surveillance anyway.
Clear. Okay, we're going to go back to the substation. The marshals are going to just isolate it with their signal, so we're not really worried about losing it. That's not a problem at all. But just meet back up at the substation there on Long Point. We'll go from there.